This 2026 Winnebago Sunflyer 22 rupees is a Class C RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, awning, water heater, TV, slide-out, LP detector, smoke detector, TV antenna, microwave, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.